Battle of a century.
We're gonna go down some grimy alleys for sure. Try a trick I probably won't land, and if I do land, it'll be amazing.
Okay. Yeah.
This is unlike any video we've ever made before. What is up, you guys? We're here today at the beautiful Venice Beach.
Venice Beach.
With Nigel Jones.
The beach is that way, but
well, I mean, we're at the Venice.
Yeah, we're here. We're on the sidewalk.
We're on a sidewalk. And we have special guest Andy Anderson, who was nice enough to meet us all the way down here.
You guys were nice enough to come here.
This is awesome. We're out of the Braille house in a new place. Well, not a new place, but LA.
And the weather's still nice
and
enough
the weather,
for me to wear
the
all
weather's
black
amazing.
with the long sleeve shirt. So we're here today for the battle of a century.
The
Andy
destruction of
Anderson
a lifetime.
Versus Nigel Jones. Everything counts game of skateboard everywhere.
Everywhere.
We're gonna go down some grimy alleys for sure.
You guys are gonna Rochambeau any single trick on any single obstacle anywhere in this Venice area counts, as long as you call it. Rochambeau, and may the games begin.
Rochambeau.
You had one chance.
Let's do this. I'm ready. I'm learning today either way.
I'm here to ref this game because everything counts can get a little controversial at times.
Okay, ready for this first trick?
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, crack stall fakie.
Crack stall fakie.
Flip. Your trick.
So this is the kind of game we're gonna have.
I'm gonna try it again just for fun here. Oh, it's so easy the second try.
I'm going through the grass right here. I feel like I might fall, but
oh! And a front flip on the side.
They even high-fived the train.
Whoa!
did you do a backflip?
Do that again. Whoa!
Oh, chillin'.
All right, I got the next trick.
What's the next trick?
Tail stall shove.
Oh! Okay, I got you.
Now I'm really gonna try and do some things. Nose stall on the pole, pop back in.
What?
Farther than you think.
No, it's not. It doesn't look that far. Oh, it's kind of far.
All right, Andy, you're up.
Okay, I'm gonna go back for this crack stall. Something my brain tells me not to, but something else my brain tells me to.
The dog ran out again.
That.
Dude, I'm keep missing these crack stalls.
Front pop off the curb.
Oh!
All right, let's explore around.
All right.
What can we do? What can we do?
What can we do, dude? There's so many options.
I want to go like further down.
Dude, let's go.
Oh snap! Is that
Oh, that was great.
I actually got that one.
I'm trying to think. I don't know. I want to get creative, but I feel like I'm just wasting time right now. All right, let's go in here real quick. Front feeble.
Whoa.
Yes! Can we do a quick nose manual? Top of this thing?
It's mad.
No! I already messed it up.
Oh, I got something.
Okay. Hippie jump. Okay, back taily.
Oh no. He knows all my weaknesses. Bro, how do you even back tail?
Dude, that's insane.
Why can't we do front tail?
I'm just gonna start going down real quick. That's a K already.
Okay, I'll try a trick I probably won't land, and if I do land, it'll be amazing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try to ollie through that hole.
I wanted to try it.
I knew I wanted someone to do it.
I tried it last night so many times I didn't even get close, but right here. Oh!
No!
I'm gonna just land that for fun, not even part of the game. Oh! Okay, Nigel, it's your trick.
What we're gonna do is count that as your trick.
No.
Magic.
No.
Sick.
No. We
was
can't do that. No, you can't do that. It's so fake.
I'm really gonna try it one time.
try.
That's all you get out of me.
No, you gotta make sure that people know I tried more than once.
Oh, there's no. How did you even do that? I'm taking that one.
You gonna try it?
God, no, I can't jump right now.
Trick that Nigel has A.
No. I missed that trick.
No, that was your trick.
Don't count that trick.
All right, fine. So
put it in the video.
It's your trick then.
My trick?
Yes.
All right, we're manualing down this whole thing. Starting at that fat crack right here.
Oh, come on. Through all the people. That's such a good trick for Venice.
Oh, too easy.
And you got the pop out.
I know, I got the pop in, he got the pop out. All right, ollie over a pigeon. We got a, oh, pigeon right here, ollie over.
Andy's turn.
That's your trick, Andy.
Power slide bash one of these plastic things.
It's a defense, that's what counts.
Okay, I think we should go down a grimy alley. Roll on grind in this curve. Okay, first try, not a spin on this hydrant.
You have to teach me how to do this.
Person.
If you land it, you gotta like tell me the secrets.
Okay, this is a scary hydrant to do it on because it's got these sharp knobs. These ones are okay, but these ones are real shin cutters. I don't know, this is gonna be a tough hydrant. No chance on this one.
Kickflip a scooter.
Oh!
He just stole your trick.
He did.
This is unlike any video we've ever made before.
Okay, backside power slide, back lip, bird knock over, off the curb.
All right, I got this. I got this.
Whoa! Hey, Nigel.
Classic curb to wall trick for me, and I know you can't do it.
Oh, I know what you're gonna do, and I want to try it.
Okay, let's do
I'm
it.
not even kidding. I
do
know
it.
exactly what you're about to do. Yep, I knew it. All right. Give me the rundown on
Oh, that was sick.
Okay, I'm gonna explain this to you and the world here.
this. Okay.
Grab your board right here, and you turn it around, and this is the secret board flip. Everyone knows this board flip. That one's really hard. This one's really easy but complicated. So you flip it, and you turn your hand upside down. Yes. So you start with your hand here, you're rotating, flip it, turn your hand upside down.
Oh, that's all you do?
Yeah, rotate it, flip, turn it.
Wait, do that again?
So it's rotation, and then flip, turn the hand. Yes!
So that's all you're doing?
Yeah, it's a secret little 80s trick. Here's the part on the ground. It's a bean plant, you know, roast beef grab? So you grab roast beef, you put your hand on the ground, grab roast beef, and you do a bean plant.
It's the stretching part of it, though. I'm gonna go slow on this.
Yeah, it's good. So far, so good.
I can't bend down that far.
Hand on the ground, and then walk on the wall. Oh, you actually almost had it, G.
Oh, dude, I need to learn these. That is incredible.
That's a B. Oh no, dude, Fetty got a bike. Fetty, get off the bike.
Oh! That's so sick. Okay, right here. I'm backing him up.
He's backing him up.
You're set.
Okay, crack stall fakie. I'm not even gonna test it. That crack looks perfect.
Alright, this is incredible.
Oh!
Dang it! All I had to do is set it down.
Okay, hippie shove the stick.
You can do that. All you do is extra steez your shove it, and you got this.
I'll try it. All right.
Oh! You had it. That's R for Nigel. He's on his last letter, so you got to go out with a banger.
Okay, we gotta do a sand spray power slide.
I am going to fall.
Oh, wow, look at that cutie. Real last trick though. We gotta think of a real last trick here. It's gotta be Venice Beach oriented. Wally this red sign.
What? Wait, run it back. I gotta watch that from this side. What in the world? I'm doing this. I'm doing it.
Last try, Nigel.
Last try, last letter.
That's it.
I've never been happier at getting clapped in a game of skate. This was amazing. That was really
was
fun.
great.
That was like,
I want to
almost
go
just
more like into the like downtown. Everything counts.
Well, Nigel, I've never been more honored to watch you get absolutely
Clapped.
wrecked in a game of skate.
That was great.
It was beautiful.
It was amazing.
And Andy, once again, your talent is unbelievable. We've seen some crazy stuff, and we watched this man, and we're like, it doesn't make any sense. All of Andy's information will be in the description below, so you guys definitely check that out. Get some of his pro model boards in your local skate shop, because you definitely want to support those.
Check out Mind Control Products on Instagram and .com.
Mind control.
I think they turned down the music for us.
I really appreciate that, guys.
That's like the best people ever. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys should learn how to skateboard. It is your time right now. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of those skateboarding necessities. See you next time.